Welcome to Smart AI Hustle Channel. Hello everybody. Today, we're diving into 5 AI side hustles that'll blow your mind in 2025. We're not talking about the typical ChatGPT gigs you see everywhere. These are hidden opportunities to pull in some serious cash, think $1,000 a month, easy, with basically zero competition. We're talking next level stuff here, people. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for hustle number 3, because that one's a game changer. Look, I know a lot of you are out there grinding on Upwork, trying to make a buck off AI art that everybody and their grandma is already selling. I get it. But those methods are getting old. And frankly, they're played out. That's why I spent weeks digging deep, researching underground AI trends, and I'm hyped to finally reveal these 5 side hustles that are going to be absolutely massive in 2025. So if you're ready to ditch the outdated methods and step into the future of side hustling, buckle up because we're diving in right now. Let's go. Alright, so you know how some people travel the world, finding unique goods and reselling them online for a profit? Well, this is like that, but on hyperdrive. We're talking AI-powered e-commerce arbitrage, and it's like having a global team of sourcing experts working for you 24/7. Here's the deal. There are tools out there like, and I'll link a few of my favorites down in the description, that scan online marketplaces across the world, looking for products being sold for way less in one country compared to another. We're talking like 50% less, sometimes even more. It's wild. So, you used to find these insane deals. Let's say some cool Japanese tech gadget that's super cheap over there but sells for a premium in Europe, and you buy it. Then, you resell it on a European marketplace, boom, instant profit. And the best part is, and other AI tools can handle almost the entire process for you, from finding the products and placing the orders to handling shipping and logistics. You're basically just overseeing the operation, optimizing for maximum profit. I'm talking real money here too. I've seen people making a solid side income with this, like a user who flipped Japanese tech gadgets in Europe for a $1,200 profit last month alone. That's more than some people make at their full-time jobs. And the thing is, this isn't limited to just tech gadgets. We're talking everything from fashion and beauty products to home goods and everything in between. The possibilities are seriously endless. And listen, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. This is real. This is happening right now. And it's only going to get bigger as AI gets more sophisticated. So if you're ready to ditch that soul-crushing 9-to-5 and start living life on your own terms, AI-powered e-commerce arbitrage might just be your golden ticket. But we're just getting started, people. Let's move on to the next AI side hustle that's about to blow your mind. Okay, so you've probably heard about how AI is changing the content creation game, right? Well, get this. Now there are entire marketplaces dedicated to buying and selling AI-generated content. Think of it like Fiverr or Upwork, but specifically for AI-created stuff. Platforms like, and yeah, I'll link that in the description too, let you monetize pretty much any type of digital content you can think of, all generated by AI. We're talking YouTube intros, podcast jingles, even those trending sounds you hear on TikTok, all created by AI. And the best part, you don't even need to show your face or use your voice. You're basically selling the AI's output as your own. Now, I know some people might think that's shady, but the reality is, AI is just a tool. It's like using Photoshop to edit a photo. You're still the one directing the process and putting in the creative input. Plus, the demand for AI-generated content is absolutely exploding right now. Everyone needs content these days, from businesses to influencers to everyday people who just want to up their social media game. And let's be real, not everyone has the time, skills, or budget to hire a professional content creator. That's where you come in, offering high-quality AI-generated content at a fraction of the cost. We're talking serious earning potential here. You can easily charge $50 to $200 per gig, depending on the complexity and length of the content. And the beauty of it is you can scale this up like crazy. Once you've got your AI system set up, you can be selling multiple gigs a day, bringing in a consistent stream of passive income. So, if you're ready to cash in on the AI content revolution, this is your chance. Jump on these AI-generated content marketplaces and start building your empire. Chapter 3. So this next AI side hustle is all about going hyper-local and tapping into a market that's practically untouched. I'm talking about providing AI-powered services to small businesses in your area. Think about it. Every local business, from your neighborhood coffee shop to that boutique down the street, could benefit from AI. But most of them either don't know it exists or don't know how to use it. That's where you come in. With tools like, and yeah, you guessed it, link in the description. You can create custom AI solutions for these businesses without needing any coding skills whatsoever. We're talking AI chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries 24/7, AI-powered inventory management systems that optimize stock levels, even AI-generated menus for restaurants that automatically update based on ingredient availability and customer preferences. The possibilities are seriously endless. The best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to do this. And other similar platforms make it super easy to create these AI solutions. You basically just input the specific needs of the business, and the AI does the rest. And let me tell you, local businesses are willing to pay for this type of service. I'm talking $100 a month per client easy. And once you start getting a few clients under your belt, you can easily scale this up to a full-time income. I know someone right here in Sydney who's absolutely crushing it with this. He started offering these hyper-localized AI services a few months back, and he's already got 22 clients. That's over $2,000 a month in recurring revenue, and he's just getting started. So if you're ready to become the go-to AI guru in your community, this is your chance. Hit the streets, start talking to local businesses, and show them how AI can transform their operations. Chapter 4. Alright, let's talk about AI in the stock market. Now before you click away, I know what you're thinking. AI stock trading, isn't that risky? Isn't that like gambling? And to be honest, yeah, it can be if you're not careful. That's why I want to emphasize that we're talking about using AI stock trading bots ethically and responsibly. Here's the deal. There are tools out there that use machine learning and sentiment analysis to identify potential market trends and opportunities. They analyze news articles, social media posts, even financial reports to predict which stocks are likely to go up or down. Now, I'm not saying these AI bots are foolproof. No investment is ever 100% guaranteed, but when used correctly, they can give you a serious edge in the market. I've seen people turn a few $100 into a couple of grand in a week using these tools, and no, I'm not exaggerating, but here's the key. You have to use these AI trading bots responsibly. Don't just blindly throw all your money into whatever the bot tells you to. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. And most importantly, make sure you're using a regulated platform. There are a lot of shady AI trading bots out there that are nothing more than scams. Stick to reputable platforms and tools that have a proven track record. So if you're interested in exploring the world of AI-powered investing, do your due diligence, proceed with caution, and remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about using AI to make smarter investment decisions over the long term. Chapter 5. Okay, for the last AI side hustle on our list today, we're diving headfirst into the world of NFTs. Now, you've probably heard of NFTs, those unique digital assets that everyone and their grandma seems to be buying and selling. But what if I told you there's a way to create entire collections of NFTs using AI? Platforms like, yeah, that link's in the description too, allow you to generate thousands of unique AI-generated pieces of art in literally minutes. We're talking everything from quirky characters and abstract designs to futuristic landscapes and everything in between. And the best part? These AI-generated NFTs are often indistinguishable from human-created art. In fact, some people actually prefer the aesthetic of AI art. They find it more abstract, more experimental, more, well, futuristic. So, here's how it works. You used to generate a collection of, say, 1,000 unique NFTs. You come up with a cool theme, like maybe cyberpunk pets or abstract landscapes of Mars, and let the AI work its magic. Then you list your collection on a marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible, set your price and watch the bids roll in. I'm not kidding, people are making bank selling AI-generated NFTs. There was a college student who created a collection of AI-designed sneakers and sold the entire collection for $5,000 in a week. And that's just one example. Now, like with any investment, there's always risk involved. The NFT market can be volatile, but if you create a unique, high-quality collection, there's no reason why you can't cash in on this AI-powered gold rush. Boom, there's your roadmap to $1,000 a month in 2025. We just covered 5 AI side hustles that are not only on the cutting edge but also have the potential to completely change the way you earn a living. We talked about AI-powered e-commerce arbitrage, AI-generated content marketplaces, hyper-localized AI services for local businesses, AI stock trading bots, ethically of course, and creating entire NFT collections with AI. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future and joining the AI revolution, there's no better time than now to get started. These opportunities are only going to get bigger and more competitive as AI continues to evolve, so get in on the ground floor while you still can. If you're ready to hustle, smash that like button down below, and I'll DM you my free toolkit with all the links and resources we talked about today. And hey, if you want me to make a part 2, drop a comment below with AI Future. Stay hungry, stay hustling.